So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to stop people from messaging you on TikTok. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, for that reason, you need to open up your TikTok application, and right after that, you need to select the profile on the right bottom side. Select the profile, and then from here, you need to go and select the three dots on the right upper side. Select this one and go to the settings and privacy. Now once you have done to here, simply select the privacy and then scroll it down and you will probably find the direct messages. So from here select the direct messages option and then simply go with the allow direct message option selected like this and go with no one and simply close it up, and there you have it. So that's how you can stop people from messaging you on TikTok. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.